Hi kids, I hope you all are doing well. So in my last video, I had factorized x to the power 16 minus y to the power 16. Alright. Now I had told you that in my next video, I'm going to bring this. Now how do we go about this? The fundamentals are a bit different from the earlier one. So let's get started. Okay. So grab a paper pen. Okay. And let's do it together. So since we have x to the power 18 here minus y to the power 18. So how do we resolve to at least get an identity into focus so that it is easier for us to do so. So since we write this as the question here, so the first step that we are going to do is to change this in this manner. Alright. Why do we do this? Because we know that 6 into 3 is 18. 6 into 3 is 18. Alright. Now, what are we going to use therefore? We are going to use this identity. A cube minus B cube. Which means A minus B and A square plus AB plus B square. Alright. Now, this is supposed to be an identity much suited for factorization of any algebraic expressions, right? Now, since we have two cubes over here, difference of two cubes therefore need to be laid down in this manner. So our A in this context is x to the power 6, B is y to the power 6. Let's close the bracket. Let's open the next bracket. I think this will be curly bracket will be much better, as we have to square up our A. So x to the power 6 to be squared up. Alright. So you can watch the video little slowly to understand better in case you are getting stuck somewhere, guys. So we have our A equals to x to the power 6 dot B is y6, y to the power 6. And then this part is left, so plus y to the power 6 in bracket this. So let's close the curly bracket. Alright, now where do we go? Where are we heading towards? Any idea? Are you understanding how this is going to be like? Okay. So we have x to the power 6 minus y to the power 6. We don't have an identity for this, okay, for your standards. So in that case, we resolve to yet another identity, which is, let's have a cube inside and we double this, which means we, square up both of them in order to make it equal to x to the power 6 minus y to the power 6. So 3 into 2 is 6 and 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. So y6 here and x6 here. Correct? I hope there is no problem. Here we already have a square and b square. But we do not have, 2ab here. If we are to consider this as our A, this as B, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Alright. So we need to do this simultaneously in the same line so that we can save on space and we can do them, at the same time. So let's go ahead, So we have a trick to resolve this. So since we have x to the power 6 to the power 2, this is my A. Now we have here another, this is A square, this is B square. Can we write this 2 times of x6 and y6? We can't write, isn't it? So therefore we need to minus 1x6 and y6. Do you get it? Now it rationalizes the whole expression because this entire thing is equal to this. Since I made this 2 times, I subtracted 1 time so that it comes and stands where it was. Alright? What next? So the next is that we'll use a square minus b square formula here, which means since a square minus b square equals to a minus b and a plus b, so we write here a minus b and a plus b. Alright, got it? Now what about this? What do we do to this? Okay, let's do it. Okay, so since we have a square b square 2ab, so in that case what do? This thing can be written as what? A plus b whole square. Can we do it? And this will become xy, okay, 6, 6. Let's copy it down for now. Alright, can we do so? We can, isn't it? Alright, so here we have got 2. So once again we are using for this identity. So let's swell up this one in the same manner we did here. So in this case we have plain x as a a and we have x square plus xy plus y square. So for this we have found this. Alright. As for this, we know that x cube plus y cube. So let me write over here x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y. This is y. X square minus xy plus y square. Alright. This is the formula, okay, for x cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube. So we write x plus y and x square minus xy plus y square. Now remember guys, this is still there, so which we need to write. So we have x squared, x to the power 6 plus y to the power 6 square, and here x 3 and y 3, and this is whole square. Amazing, isn't it? So here we are going to use a square minus b square formula. Alright? So let's copy it down, whatever has been resolved, whatever has been thrashed, okay, to the simplest. So x minus y, x plus y, we have this x square plus xy plus y square, and this one with plus, one with minus, x square minus xy plus y square. And now for this we have this square and this square, which means this is our a and this is our b. So we can write x6, okay, plus y6. This entire thing is our a minus x cube and y cube 1, and the next one will be 1 with plus. Got it? So this happens to be our final answer. Okay, so let me just reinforce this for further clarity. So if I were to write this in one line as an answer, I would write x minus y, x plus y, x square plus xy plus y square, x square minus xy plus y square, and x6 plus y6 minus xy, okay, both cube and x6 plus y6 plus x cube and y cube. So this happens to be your final answer, the factors of x to the power 18 minus y to the power 18. Now there has been a usage of this identity. Then we have used, okay, a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube identity, a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. All right. So this identity, second identity. Third, we needed to, okay, construe some trick to be able to make this also breakable into factors. How? Because we double this and then we minus this one. So this is one thing that you have to remember, that in case you get any factorization based on this, you would instantly know that even though this is single xy, you need to double this and get a minus 1 so that we can get a difference of squares. We therefore use this one, okay, in this entire thing, which is what we did over here. Okay, so if I have to put this like this, it means this entire thing from here till here is equal to this. Understood? So now having got two squares, how do we change this to a square? We convert this as x cube and y cube to the power of 2. So 2 here, this is my a square and this is my b square. All right. And having got that, we have work to even do on this, which is a minus b and a plus b, which is what we did over here. Here, a minus b and a plus b. So when we do this, we get two separate factors. Remember, factors here also, these two are also factors, and this is. So based on the degrees happens to be from greater to smaller. So if you want, you can arrange this, write this before, then next this, and then next this, and this, and then finally go to the first degree, okay, degree of 1. All right. So this is how this is to be, okay, factorized, and hence we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors for simply this simple plain looking question on factorization. All right. So thank you so much for watching and okay, trying to be with me. I hope you have understood. In case there is any query or help, so do write to me in the comment box. I'll eagerly look forward to it. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.